Hi guys, welcome to How to Housewife. Super quick video today. How do you tell if you've got a bad egg? You could crack it open, but we're not going to do that. We are going to do a test on telling if the egg is good or bad without stinking up the whole house.
All you need is a bowl or a container with enough water to cover an egg. As an egg ages, air seeps in, growing the air cell. This makes an egg that's older more buoyant. This one with the smiley face on it is a fresh egg. It should sink. As you can see, it's completely covered by the water. Let's see what happens to an egg that's a little bit past its expiry date. That's pretty buoyant compared to the fresh egg.
So this guy is a bad egg. I'm not going to be using him.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my short but sweet clip this week. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell for my videos that are coming soon.